Is how you handle all-time highs using the Firestorm indicators. So I noticed today we were obviously getting to all-time highs. It is Monday. It is a beautiful day in the market. It was a little wild at some points, but we had great success because of the Firestorm indicators showing us where we were going past all-time highs. So not only did we have Bookmap pulled up, but we also had the Firestorm indicators giving an accuracy. This is the most important part. The accuracy will give you that confidence of this is where the market is going next. And as you can see here, we have the 15-minute chart pulled up. It caught that breakout of the 15-minute opening range. So we had the opening range here, and then we had a little pullback, and then the continuation up, hitting take profit one. Now, if we pull up everything that I did this morning, so I was on our live stream this morning, and these levels here were all levels except for this one. This was a level of my trailing stop, so we could get rid of that one. This one was a level where all the orders were sitting on Bookmap, which was also ironically take profit one on the 15-minute chart. And then down here was where I trailed my previous trade as well. So as you can see, we have multiple trades here. Let's kind of recap what we did this morning. I had, which I tell you exactly when I'm entering my trade, where I'm trailing, what I'm doing. So if you're looking for a live stream that's more scalping oriented, this would be awesome for you. The indicators would give you that long signal. I give out scalping signals. That's what I do best. So as you can see right here, I said I was taking this little reversal. I trailed in the profit and came out a couple $100 on that one. And then I ended up coming out in profit on this one too, which I trailed here and then re-entered here. This one was, I trailed, I did not re-enter this one, even though it did hit take profit. Some of our clients did. They made $500, $700 off of that one. This one was one that I did get in on the full take profit. Absolutely beautiful. Super, super grateful for this trade because it just made today so much better. And the 15-minute signal came out at that time too. So we had that break at all-time highs. We had a little pullback, and then we had a continuation. Our stop losses are not huge stop losses. I always keep my stops very small. So for those that don't know me, I like to have very small stop, very big take profit, which is why you see me pull to break even pretty quickly because I'm scalping. I'm not holding out the full signal unless it continues up in that direction. I'm usually using just my trailing stop at that point. So this is just a great indication. Right here is the line for take profit one. Right here is the line for take profit two. And if you come to the 15-minute chart, you will be able to see that signal. Beautiful right here. So this is basically all you need. You need some Bookmap, you need the Firestorm indicators, and you need price action. That's it. Look for breakouts. If you see the signal like this, that doesn't mean you missed the signal. Catch another part of the signal. Catch the pullback and continuation of the signal. Don't think that because you missed entry, you can't leverage the signal. All my live streams, I go over how these big signals like this, you can get in multiple times over and over and over again with the right conditions, looking for pullbacks, waiting for the 5-minute candle hack to come about, and so on and so forth. So if you want to get your hands on an indicator that gives you signals at all-time highs with an accuracy meter, so you have confidence on that's where the market is going, and it basically lines up with Bookmap, since these indicators do work with volume, this would be a great add-on without cluttering up your charts. Honestly, everything you see here is just zones for all-time highs and gap fills. But if you take that all away, Firestorm indicators are pretty simple. Right here, as you can see, that is the VWAP, and this is EXO trades. I use that to look at the 1-minute chart while looking at the 5-minute chart. And then I have my pivot points. So really, if you have Firestorm momentum, which is 31 of the most popular strategies in one indicator, giving you a strong buy or strong sell, and then you have Firestorm FX, that's literally all you need. Price action and those two things, Absolute game changer. I'll see you on the other side. Get the Firestorm indicators if you want to get started.